I just wanna say one time after 2 years at this motherfucking crib, fuck all y'all motherfuckers living all over this motherfucker trying to kick me out. That goes for you, Mrs. Watson, with your little ass kids always fucking crying. You got your little chihuahua, fuck you and your motherfucking mama, bitch. I'm out here, suck my motherfucking dick. Yeah, remember music. Old Jewish. Yeah, that's how it's going down one time for that. Okay, yeah. He's on drugs again. My neighbor's yelling, I don't give a fuck again. And I swear to God, if the cops come again, I'ma open up this door, get the rumbling. Start bustin'. My dick, your mouth, no discussion. Yeah, it's all happening. I must be imagining. Take a hit, time traveling. Turn up the motherfucking volume. Yeah. And you a freak, why you hiding in the costume? That's just got your body look up. Let me see the nipples, baby. Don't give it all up, just a little bit. I'm just trying to free your mind. 'Cause all you see is dollar signs. Yeah, line crosser, real life flying saucer. Nothing straight about her but her posture. Young Prada, I'ma eat lobster. Full Spanish bitches, but I speak nada. And she gotta need to roll the weed all up. You ain't got a chance when it's me on ya. I'm a motherfucking legend, girl. You that pussy killed, bitches out in Edinburgh. The motherfucking volume. Bust like the condom. And you a freak, why you hiding in the costume? That's just got your body look up. Yeah, crippled, baby. Let me slide right down the middle, baby. Yeah, where the fuck my thumbelina? Has anybody seen her face? Blinded by the street.
Dobrý den. Pane, prosím vás, prosím, tady nesmí provozovat tady to, jo. To je na památník. Byste na vedení, ty mě sem kvůli vám posílají, jo. Tak prosím, abyste si to jako zbalil a odešel. OK.
Jo, mě je to jasný. Já na vás nenadávám, to se nebojte.
Fuck it. I was like 9, never would've thought I'd have a ride like mine. Ice cream paint job on my mind, but daddy never really had a job like mine. Hotter than June, bass need the boom, rockin' and leaning, hydraulics the
You're a hard man to reach, Willie Dynamite. I wanna rap. Go right ahead.
Girls ask me for that Willie D, that's how I know they feeling me. It's simple C, the pimpin' B, what got these bitches clipped to me. You may be at the game, I guarantee you we in different seats. I seen you in the nosebleeds, but where I'm at, that isn't cheap. In the Benz, in the Jeep, make $1 million in a week. Taking off her clothes before I begin to speak, like give me cheeks. Been to London, been to France, go to if you get the chance. Been to Amsterdam, hit the club, hell no I didn't dance. Rolled around a little, smoked the weed, seen the red lights. Ain't fucking prostitute, but the head nice. Get right, from here on to the next life. Relax and sip that red stripe. Way I spend this money, you would think I had an ex-wife. Bitches love the lead pipe, the Berg word, the Kent Rice. New place every day, what I would give to just have 10 nights. Yeah, right. About to drop an album, hoping blow your mind. Trying to reach a level where no music gets put over mine. The girls ask me for that Willie D. The girls ask me for that Willie D. What does it mean to keep your pimp hand strong? Live it up, cause you don't live that long. Or am I wrong? The girls ask me for that Willie D. The girls ask me for that Willie D. What does it mean to keep your pimp hand strong? Live it up, cause you don't live that long. Or am I wrong? Hey, It's young Macintosh, tell you about that sabotage. Traveling through Germany, word to David Hasselhoff. Back up off and kill him softly, bitches like to fuck him doggy. Probably off Somali, got me turning into polygons. On and on, DJs putting on my song. People say I talk too long, killing every single track the God is on. They cheering with they pom-poms, buying what I got on. Straight gold, find me fucking silver with my long john. Tom, direct me to that money, please. Square sponge, fucking dumb. Yeah, your grades is undersea, and I know in God we trust. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here this evening. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're right here with me. So give it up to Swag Man Do on the saxophone. And let me do my thing. Hey, I said it's hard to sip it slow when it tastes good. I got a mansion in the hills and that's my neighborhood. An empty spot up on the shelf, I need a vase to put there. A couple wooden chairs, that be looking good, yeah. And baby, if you want, I'll wait for you. We could sit inside my crib and watch a pay-per-view. Cause I just need you next to me, keep you my accessory. I just wanna sing you your new favorite tune. And it goes a little something like this.